I turned up the roof, saved myself a 20 grief, searched around and found a killer deal. A man is only as old as the woman he feels. Like a fountain of youth or a tonic in a bottle, I'm both big and bigger with my new model. I went and made a brand new start, keep myself young at heart, so much younger than my age reveals. A man is only as old as the woman he feels. Tried poker after dark, but that was just before. I said to myself, what the heck, and I picked up a brand new deck for which I was the first to break the seal. A man is only as old as the woman he feels. Now I know that it's true, when you ask you shall receive. Heaven sent me an angel so sweet you won't believe. Hell, I ain't no religious man, yet I pray you'll understand. I love the way she worships when she kneels. A man is only as old as the woman he feels. I know the older ones may have the wisdom of a sage. There's still something to be said for a well-written page. I did a lot of window shopping, it was free to look, but I bought a new edition to replace that worn-out book. To the doctor, and what did he say? Ain't nothing as good as a good roll in the hay. Now everything is working right, your skin is clear, your eyes are bright, keep doing what you're doing cause it heals. A man is only as old as the woman he feels. My hands-on study, it's been backed, it's a scientific fact. I tell you from experience, it's real. A man is only as old as the woman he feels. Only as old as the woman he feels. Only as old as the woman he feels. Oh, thank you.
Thank you much. We got one song left for you. We're Grandpa's Top Medicine. We do have 2 CDs for sale, so come say hi. We're going to be right down here with our little merch stand.